Very good. We like to lead off our noon parade with usually the steam, but it looks like today we have a kerosene factor. He's making more special than the steam engine will.
It's a woman.
But on behalf of the Shenandoah Valley Steam and Gas Engine Association, I'd like to welcome everybody here. Glad you came out. It's a little warm out here on the bleachers, but hopefully it'll be worth it for the entertainment value.
Yeah, it's Dave's. He's gonna go through the parade. Yeah, they are.
Good news steam engine.
Yeah, they are.
And some have not been here in quite a while. And this first unit is going to be wonderful.
Other guys. It's the Ireland family's engine.
Oh, is that one too?
No, it's not. That's the other guys here.
Yeah. They use tractors.
They do. They're not prohibited with gas trucks or steam engines.
It's the only steam engines.
Well, they're not prohibited. They can have some power, but they just,
Like when we went to Pennsylvania, they told us about it.
yeah, they're not. They can have gas tractors and steam engines. They just don't use them in the field.
That would have been engine horsepower. The 30 was on the drawbar. This is a large, heavy tractor. It was real good for threshing, running sawmill. Had plenty of power for the sawmill. It was also good for pulling probably about a 8 bottom plow, 6 bottom plows, depending on the soil. Breaking big fields open, and it runs on kerosene. These engines were specifically designed to have a special carburetor. They started on gasoline, and then we very quickly switched over to kerosene, which was about 1/3 or 1/4 the cost of gasoline. They use oil.
I hope there's no lantern flies around here.
That's one of the reasons
What we did at the house.
the oil field survived for this date. There's no danger of it freezing up in the wintertime if you forgot to drain the water out.
There's no danger of them. They said there's no danger of them. Mom, put it back. Yes.
And we appreciate these guys bringing that out and showing it to us again this year. It's probably been 15 years since that tractor was on these showgrounds. It's a regular here.
Got it, honey?
So that's Dave.
That's Dave.
Yeah, that is. This one. Not that one. This one.
Is that him? There he is.
He's up there helping this guy.
Who's the man in there? Is he a part of the association?
Probably. Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, that's where they made.
Are you gonna have enough video left in there for the whole day? Let's see what time it is. Oh, it was noon, wasn't it?
His dad's helping him.
Is that his dad? Well, what's his name's dad?
Dave's dad.
Yeah.
Single cylinder engine, they're very, steam engines are very smooth to operate. They underrated these engines about 2/3.
There's a flip.
That's Steve Giles.
Who?
Steve Giles.
Who's Steve?
My dad's friend. He knows me because I'm from Virginia. Because he goes to the meetings, Mom.
Very popular size engine. Really good.
That's the engine, Mom. That steam engine right there. That engine got in trouble for being in the apple blossom.
That one?
Yeah,
Was in trouble with what?
for being in the apple blossom. They're not allowed to put steam engine in the apple blossom.
I didn't know they got in trouble.
Yeah, the family did because they blew it too loud.
They blew it too
The
loud.
whistle, yeah. They weren't supposed to do that.
This is kind of fun. Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
Go to a logic then.
He likes blowing whistles. I should ask him if I can blow that NW sound whistle.
Most of the engines, when they were actually
I like steam whistles too.
I like her umbrella.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. That's the Giles family.
all right, next unit here is
It's a double cylinder. It's not a single cylinder. It's a double cylinder.
I believe. It was also a brick engine owned by Steve Giles of the Real West.
How much is one
Bunker
of
Hill.
these?
He comes from Bunker Hill.
How much do you think one of these costs?
Probably,
Couple 100,000?
yeah.
Ask Will. Where did Will go?
He went over there to video.
Like you are?
Pushes on the system. They're considered an external combustion engine. So the heat and the pressure is generated.
After this, we're gonna eat, okay?
Yeah.
Introduced by the valve test. That way, every time that connecting rod moves, it puts power to the wheel.
Wonder, is Mr. Custer announcing?
Yes, that's him. You hear his voice?
Yes.
Is that familiar?
Yep.
He announced during when my dad drove the Huber.
Very smooth.
Here?
Yeah, here. He
Through
announced.
the parade?
Yeah, he threw the parade and he blew the whistle during lunchtime too.
Your dad?
Yeah,
Did you ride with him?
I did. That was a pretty cool experience.
That one lady, she said, I know you.
Sounds like a locomotive whistle too.
Yep.
Most of these steam engines you'll find are being operated by one complete family.
One complete family, they say.
Next one up here is Aaron Benedict and some of his family, and extended family. Aaron has been involved in this group and also in Somerset.
Somerset, when's that?
That's in September. That's an hour away there.
Do you stay with your dad at all when you go to him?
Yeah.
I mean, overnight.
Yeah, during Rough and Tumble, yeah, I do.
You spend the night down there?
I spend the night at my dad's. But this year I'm going up to State College for their show.
When do you go see Bonnie and them again?
In October, I think the last week.
You'll see a whole different design in these engines. More of a Western design that sits high. They don't generally have a subframe under them. The engine itself.
Mr. Custer knows a lot about engines.
He did, yeah, he does.
Thanks to Aaron and the family for bringing that up, sharing it with us. Next unit here is an engine that's rather unusual for this area. It's smooth. I hope everybody's still.
That's also a Somerset engine.
That one?
Yeah, they come from an hour. They come an hour down here.
Is Somerset in Pennsylvania?
No, it's in Virginia.
Huh?
They have a Somerset in Pennsylvania and in Virginia.
Does Will go to Rough and Tumble?
Yeah, he does.
Will he be there? Are you gonna ask him? What's the next one? Rough and Tumble?
Yeah.
Right after school starts?
Yep. That's the club's engine right there.
Who's driving that?
Probably a club kid. That's the governor. I can't believe they took the
There's the general. Look,
the general. Those are the rare tractors.
they're old Johnnies.
They're rare tractors.
The generals are.
Yeah.
We should have brought our sunglasses.
That's the club's engine.
Next unit here
That one, the Frick.
And they own the whistle too. That whistle came off of the Huber.
Really?
It did. Yeah, Dad actually blew that same whistle. I remember it was on the Huber. The Huber got sold back to White Post. But yeah, in 7 years it's gonna be back up and running. I'm gonna be elsewhere, but I'm hoping I could still attend even though I'm in Warren County.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be that bad of a drive.
Warren County is only about 30, 40 minutes from here.
So I can still make it.
Yeah. Your dad take you.
No, we have to make it every year, Mom.
Where is it?
We have to make this show every year.
This show?
Yeah, because it's like home to me.
Look at that Alice Chalmers. Didn't Van like Alice Chalmers?
Yeah, he did, and Frank has an Alice Chalmers, but he doesn't bring it anymore because of his
He
wife.
took you all up to Pennsylvania, didn't he?
No, he didn't.
Van did.
Yeah, he did. But that was at Williams Grove. That's the show where the people came from that I talked about. They came from Pennsylvania. They came from Williams Grove.
Yeah.
They're members of Williams Grove. And I came up here to Berryville. See that guy right there driving that first Cheryl? He owns a John Deere too.
He does?
Yes. He owns a John Deere. He drove it through the Middletown 4th of July parade.
In Winchester?
No, in Middletown.
Oh, he drove that?
Yeah, he drove the he drove the General through Winchester, and he drove the John Deere through Middletown, which is in Stephen City, close to Stephen City.
I'm sorry. It's hard for me to hold it.
Are you weak or something? What are you weak?
Yes. Look, there's a John Deere.
Yeah, that's original too. They don't.
I like that one. Look at the old one behind it. Is that a steam one?
John Deere. It looks like something wrong with the stack.
There's a case.
Yeah, case.
You like case?
I like their steam engines. I got a little tiny case steam engine in my house.
I know. What did they have going on here yesterday though?
Tractor pull. That's why what's his name?
Frank?
Yeah, he came down here. Up there. Hold it with both of your hands. That's mine. We didn't have a parade number for that one.
You had parade number?
Yeah.
Like 48 and 49.
18.
Not too many people at the parade today.
But
It's hot.
yeah. probably seen the parade already, probably. That's why. We've probably seen videos of it.
Do you like looking at videos on YouTube of them?
Yeah, I do. That's why I look at Will's and I look at Dave's.
Who's doing the taking the videos today, Will?
Yeah, I will too, obviously. I'm gonna post them probably soon. At some point today, I think there's a way you can go live, and I'm gonna try to get it live. So. I like that whistle. I want to talk to the guy. That guy. I'm a huge 475 fan too.
Yeah.
Ever since that train.
Look at that new looking farm wall.
They painted that.
They painted it. Look at the wheels.
They painted it. Oh, one of them I thought one of them broke down. It looked like it, but it didn't.
That's good.
I thought one of them broke down.
Very, very popular for sawmilling and threshing. Jay's grandfather had a tractor very similar to that. Did custom threshing in the Shenandoah Junction, West Virginia. Next one here in front of us, Jamie Tango on 1956 Oliver. This is his what?
See that last
$9 restoration in 1955. They were a real popular tractor. Had a lot of features.
I like that sound. I haven't blew a steam whistle in a long time. Practically, I was a little kid when I did it.
My mom ever come to these?
Yeah, she came to Rough and Tumble. She actually came 2020 when the Federals were. I'm actually gonna ask my dad if we can skip Rough and Tumble one year so we can both together go to the Federals.
That's near his house, right?
That's near his house. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna ask him next year when we take a break in Rough and Tumble, so I can go. At least I need to take a break so you can come and pick me up. I haven't been to Federalsburg since 2020, and they still had it during COVID.
Remember, Allie knew where all that was?
Yeah, she did, because she knew where the show was.
There's Will down there.
Yeah, he's a nice car. He's got engines, and I think he sells them too.
Really?
I'm pretty sure he sells them on Marketplace or whatever. Even though I don't have that, I just guess it.
Hot, isn't it?
You
like the parade? It's the old tractors.
You have to watch all of them?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like it's my favorite part of the show, the parade. Every show has to have a parade.
Do all of them have parades?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure unless it rains.
Did they have one in Bridgewater?
Yeah, they had parade at 6 o'clock. That's why we
It was
waited.
late.
So.
It was late.
Yeah, that's why it was an hour.
An hour long?
Yes, it was like an hour and something long. He said, "Oh my." He's getting me laughter just because there is. He's cracking me up with that.
quite a bit. We would have had 5 people on the engine. And if you look at the operator station, it's just way low to the back. So you can dodge winds on the fruit tree. They use these a lot. Back then they didn't have roadside.
Which one did your dad used to announce for? Here?
It's not long on here, Mom.
These things got a lot of use. That was probably the 3-inch crawler tractor.
We were just over there, but I'm gonna
After
go
this,
there.
are you gonna catch a ride?
Yeah.
And then we'll eat. You want a hot dog?
Yeah. I'll get a hot dog and water. Get shade ever had.
So a couple of nice looking cornholes, the 400 replaced the county. They upgraded the horsepower on those tractors and started building a real good hydraulic system. Following right behind him is Hunter Williams on a 1946 Ford auto machine.
Getting in my face now.
Sorry.
Not too close.
Right behind him was a real nice looking model 720 Standard down here.
Is he seven?
And following right behind that is an Endless bed tractor built 1960.
That's a rare one.
Where?
Little garden tractor.
Yeah.
Alright. A little blonde operator we got doing there. Featured Roger Mustang.
I saw that on your phone, the Mustang, little Mustang.
Yeah.
That's what on your phone.
I know.
Right behind that is William.
I showed you what the fucking the beat and what that Mustang was for.
Yep.
Gordon Mark.
Mom, don't tilt it. There. Stop moving it. So
I can't help it.
yes, you can. Here, help it. Making sure everything's okay.
Is that an Amish person?
Oh, actually it is. I told you they're not prohibited with tractors. Dad thinks they're prohibited with tractors, but they aren't.
They might be Mennonites.
No, they're not. They're Amish people. They're Amish people. And they're not prohibited with tractors, Mom. They're not prohibited with that kind of power.
They're not. They are.
They're not.
Oh, they can't have that kind.
They're not prohibited.
Oh,
It's not under, it's,
that looks like a train, doesn't it?
Dudes had some stuff pulling with the engine tractor.
All the shades coming.
Yep.
That's cool. Got clouds.
On the case tractors, they have several, and they're camped out right behind our announcer stand. So we get an opportunity to
Oh, it feels good, the breeze.
Kevin is the Shenandoah Junction, and it's the 1938 case.
I saw that too on Facebook. As I was looking at the comments and I saw that
Is that a
case.
Ford?
Yeah, that is.
Blue one?
But my dad doesn't know that the Amish are prohibited with tractors. They have Bromleys, they have steam engines, they have all kinds of stuff. They just don't have power.
And they're married if they have a beard.
Yes, they're married if they have the beard. If they don't have the beard, they're not married. Yeah, Will Smith usually goes to Rough and Tumble.
Does he? The next one?
Yeah, hopefully he'll be there Saturday. Maybe. I don't think my dad's ever seen him.
Will Smith?
Actually, I think he has. Last year, I showed him who he was. We just never meted him.
Wonder if sometimes Frank buys you something from here, doesn't he?
I think he buys it from he buys pillows and stuff. I kept the Alice Chalmers. That was nice. I like that pillow.
It's in the extra room.
Yes, I keep it in the extra room with all my tractor stuff.
That's an example of a very innovative way to take what was considered an old
tractor's alright, but his steam engines are my thing.
Steam engines are better.
Yeah. Old steam.
And they were an innovative transmission in their day. I think they're about 12.
It's a pretty big tractor. My dad told me that there's a song called Pretty Big Tractor.
A song?
There's a song called Pretty Pink Tractor.
Pretty Big Tractor?
Pretty Pink.
Oh, I thought you said pretty big.
Pretty Pink Tractor. It's a guy who wrote it because he got stuck with a Pretty Pink Tractor.
Yeah.
Next here in front of Tim Stevens, Old Valley. This is a 1970 Intermont International. It's a model 826. This was originally what they call a gold demonstrator. So if you look at that tractor, the hood,
The shade didn't last too long.
and the fenders were actually originally gold color. International did demonstrator models from time to time. In the early 50s, and again in the early 70s. The 1950s models were painted white with red trim, and the 70s models were painted gold. And they would dealers would order them.
I didn't like Miss Smith
Why?
because she wanted you out of FFA. She didn't want you joining in that. She texted me several times and said that you didn't act like you were interested in the FFA. I said he's interested, but sometimes he's just a little slow getting things, you know, remembering things, right?
Yeah.
It's barn winding. 1951 model CC. That's the tractor diverting. They also made this in a wide front that was adjustable speed. This is one of the bigger size big tractors we have had. It's smaller than the L. Next unit up here is a 5-person farm hauler.
Look at the kids driving the little lawnmowers.
Pretty Pink Tractor is the one that like.
Yep.
Stop moving the belly of that.
Alright. I'm texting Nan.
Gotta hold it with both hands.
You don't want me to text her?
No, just hold it with both hands.
Look at the baby. Look. Look at that John Deere. What kind is that?
I know, it might be an H.
A what?
A John Deere H.
What's that?
Westminster. They have a little show down there at the hospital, near Hospital, Westminster.
Our hospital?
No, Westminster, Maryland.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Not Winchester.
That'd be weird if Winchester had. Ooh, something flew.
Stop.
Hold it.
Got a little engineer in training there. 1973 Sears ST16. Now you start to get a little bit bigger engine on it. Got to have it painted pink. I don't think that's the factory color. I don't believe. The blue is, and a little bit later it was kind of a gold color with Sears.
Pink was not a factory color, they said.
Followed
Can be
behind
painted
That's why it's a pretty pink tractor.
Yep.
The last one in that group was Monthly Creek,
Where's that old man? Is he gonna be in the parade?
What?
The old man.
Well, Amish guy?
No, the one that's a club member. The old man. Does he have one?
Oh, there he is, Randy. That's Randy. That's Randy. That's famous Randy. Right there.
How do you know Randy?
Because Will Smith posts about it on YouTube. I know famous Randy, and that's famous Randy.
Yep. What kind of tractor does he drive?
Alice Chalmers. He drives a few Alice Chalmers. He's got a garden truck.
What's that? Is that boy or that girl?
Not real big into, but they were very
I
good.
have no idea. I have no idea. He'll announce it, say what it is.
Drive. And relatively comfortable for a smaller car. Got a little bit of room there to move around and get yourself in a relationship.
I'm sweaty.
Unusual to see one with the mower. Next unit here is a really nice looking.
Dude, there's a bee over here by me.
Looks like we didn't get us a great registration number, but it's done a really nice job of shining that tractor up.
I don't know famous Randy was my
Wall
favorite.
ends on the back that is a case exclusive. I would guess this was in the early 1960s. 62.
I want some more lemonade.
Can't go by yourself.
I know, but after this is done, we're gonna eat.
Why said I want to get a ride?
Well, we're gonna eat first. Then you can take a ride. Okay?
Hey,
Can't be bad, remember?
This is about the time that everybody in the industry starts to try to build a tractor that's comfortable to be on and operate. Right behind that, the little Alice Chalmers model G.
it's a mile you. Oh, my famous
Look
Randy.
weird. Oh, they are weird. Because they are highly sought after. They have the engine in the back. Drivetrain, transmission is the same as in their Model B and Model C tractors.
Mom, you're in the camera. How did
Am I better?
That's exactly what they were designed to do. Those guys for cultivating. They had a little flower.
Look at the caterpillar.
A lot of them
Yeah, they had that at Somerset last year.
Did they?
much like this farm all stuff that's in front of me now. You've got the one row planter on there.
It's not me, that's a sweat.
51,
Oh.
51.
Just once you're sweat, that's all. I remember those.
Will you hold this so I can take a drink?
No, Mom. How am I supposed to hold that? Stop moving up in the camera, Mom.
Want me to help?
Stop moving up in the camera.
Sorry, I didn't know I was in the camera. You're fine.
These are a little unusual, then again, were only built for a few years in the late 1940s, early 50s.
Don't get up in the camera.
Am I in the camera?
No, you're not. I have to cut that scene out. Or edit it or something. Look at that amount of muscle. Wow, that is cool. That is cool. He's spinning that thing around.
I know.
The portable is at the end. You see it?
Is that the last one?
Yep.
That's awesome, that caterpillar.
You like the Caterpillar? You know, Bill Glenn owns a Caterpillar. He's the one who owns Roger.
He has a caterpillar?
Yeah, he does.
I wish we could have see Roger today.
Well, we can't, because he's not here.
I like him. Will you take a picture of him?
Yeah.
Will he be at Rough and Tumble?
Yeah.
And I saw a picture of Hazel, too.
Hazels.
He needs to start coming up here. No,
They don't come up here.
too far?
I like the portable. You know they fired that up on at the toy show, remember?
Uh-huh, they did. Had it up and running.
Yeah, they did. They should put that back in the Apple Blossom parade, the
I
portable.
thought that they were not allowed to.
But they are, they just have a whistle.
They got in trouble for the whistle?
Yeah.
Alright, I think this is it.
Well, they're not done yet. See, they're not done yet. Last video.
Look at the, that's the old man right there.
Yes, it is. He's the one who owns the farm mall. He went through the Apple Blossom parade.
Did he?
Several years.
And that's the club's portable. Yep.
Yep.
Is that the one they had running?
Yes, it is. That video's it. You want to see the video? I'll show you.
Not right now. I'm getting hungry. Uh-oh, that old man was laughing too.
Get it, Mom.
Next unit here.
Yeah, scratch your noses. Scratch your noses.
Scratching noses?
Yes.
I'm not scratching anything.
Uh-oh.
There's the old man. And is that the clubs? The portable? The old man was laughing.
He's from Maryland, that guy that's laughing.
The old man?
Yeah. He actually does the church service on Sundays.
Does he?
Yeah.
Look at him laughing at the John Deere. He's going backwards.
You know you can do that with a tractor and a steam engine. You can do it backwards.
Really?
Yeah. It's dangerous, but you can do it.
That's the last one.
They have been out. They didn't have any antique cars this year. Must have been too hot for them.
Yeah.
Last year they had antique cars come in.
I'm hungry.
That's Mr. Kennett.
Is that his name?
Yeah, Kennett.
He goes to the meetings.
Yes, he does. And he likes farm malls. And he pulls the portable through the parades. He goes on a scooter, that man.
Very popular with the tractor puller. Turn those things up.
I think that's Paul Leatherman driving.
The John Deere.
Yes, he must be a John Deere man. This is how they would do it during the Apple Blossom. They pull it like this.
Really?
They would like that.
Oldest operating portable
They
freight.
also had
In the United States.
From 1878.
Yeah, that's how
Wow.
old it is. 1878.
this gun that they were family, actually owned by me. She claims it's her car.
They done?
No, they're this one, and then they're done. I guess he's the parade ender.
Caboose. The caboose.
No, the
Okay.
parade chairman. That means it's towards the end. The parade chairman when we get towards the end, and he's the parade chairman.
In 1985. So she's been around that long. Paul's been here about that long. Running steam engines, and he announced our tractor pull last night.
He announced the tractor pull. And he announces on Sunday
He's
morning
right
at
there,
church.
Mr.
It
Custer.
looks like the last unit here, as well it should be, the last unit. This is Mr. Kenny Pruitt from right down the road here in Boyce, Virginia. This is the Super M Farm Hall.
He's from Boise.
Got a
Ain't too far.
1950? 52. Okay. I was off by 2 years. And right behind him, he's pulling the oldest known operating brick steam engine. The engine was built in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania with the other bricks, same plant, just a lot sooner. That engine was built in 1878.
All right, we done?
And that's what's called a portable engine. It did not power itself down the road. You had to have a couple people
ready?
who
No, we're not.
to move that from job site to job site. And it was
After he
used
announces,
mostly
then we're
as
leaving.
a stationary power unit once it was on the job site. So it was real good for powering the small grain threshers at the time. They were way smaller and a little different design than what the grain thresher is down here. You'll see threshing our wheat and doing that sort of thing. It could pull stationary baler. They used them a lot. At that time, you had to saw all your firewood in the fall to be ready for winter time. So they were also very popular. Small engine like this could be purchased by what they would call a co-op, which would generally be a group of farmers in the area. They would all go together and purchase an engine like this, and then they would share the use of it. They would all pitch in together and help each other do the work they needed, and also do maintenance on the engine a little bit later. So this little engine is a survivor. It's owned by the Shenandoah Valley Steam and Gas Engine Association, and Kenny has been a long time member here. He's not as agile as he once was, but he's still out here doing all he can for us. So we appreciate him
All
and all the effort that he puts out.
He's done.
And he's been our parade director for many years.
Okay,
Many years.
after he announces.
So thank you, Kenny.
All right, everybody's leaving.